So I'm going to explain how you can imprint any kind of frequency or combination of frequencies on certain media. You can use water, of course, which is a great media, and we also have, as you know, the energy bracelets, right, which you can imprint and wear 24/7. Let's say you've just done a scan and we want to do the avoidance, and that cannot be done in real time, so we are going to copy the entire feedback into the dropper bottle and make a homeopathic remedy out of it, right? So you simply put the dropper bottle on the contact plate. We're going to send the frequencies to the interface, meaning it's going to the box. Now notice I don't have any harness plugged in, it's just a box. So we're just imprinting these three frequencies onto this dropper bottle. So now the person does not have to avoid, they can just do these drops every hour, every couple of hours for a day or two, and it will refocus the treatment or the harmonization of the allergy, let's say, right? Let's say cheese here is a particular problem, right? And you want to combine that with digestive enzymes, send the frequency to the interface. And now these two frequencies will be imprinted into the chip on the bracelet. So that's that simple. So this is just one example. Now you can do that with any frequency. This is a combination of two frequencies, cheese mix and digestive enzymes. Now you can also just do that on just one frequency, or as you know, there's other protocols here, like on the trivector panel, where you can imprint an entire protocol for Epstein-Barr virus and so on and so forth. That's how you imprint any of the 70,000 frequencies plus any of the combinations. So there's millions of combinations that can be done.